Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'll be installing Apple CarPlay. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. So what you get from this kit is a new set of cables that you connect to the original ones. You will see it later on in the video. And of course the Apple CarPlay screen. So first you have to remove the air vents, but be careful not to use anything like a screwdriver. Always use plastic trim removal tools. Then disconnect the connectors. I was struggling a little bit with these. Now remove the two screws beneath the screen. Now remove the two screws of the AC panel and carefully take out the panel. Now remove the control module and remove the connectors. Now this is where the new cable comes in. You have to connect the original cable to this cable and use the new cable for the Apple CarPlay. Now connect the new Apple CarPlay screen.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Now connect the connectors that are left to the control module.
It sound right, boys.
And pop back the AC panel.
It sound white, boy.
Now connecting the rest is everything in reverse, but be sure to double check if you have connected every cable, because it's gonna be a pain to find out that you didn't connect one.
It sound right, boys.
And there you go. Now you have Apple CarPlay. Be sure the Bluetooth works, everything works, the controls work, the steering wheel functions work, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.